Let's talk about CW. So I want to start out with the CW decoder. I am on 20 meters. Let me find a good CW signal. So I've got the CW decoder running and I have it set for 10 words a minute. And I have the side tone set at 600. And it looks like it's keeping up really well right now, but I have seen where it looks like it's a little bit behind. So let me demonstrate what that looks like when it's a little bit behind. First, I'm going to turn the volume down all the way. And then I'm going to turn the dummy load on. All right, dummy load's on. You can see that everything went away. Let's go to screen 2. Let's clear the screen. Let's go back to screen 1. Let's set the speed to 15 words a minute. And let's go over to the keyer real quick. Not there, there. Okay, and so this is the actual key settings. So I'm at key speed 15 words per minute. I'm using iambic A. I've got the key type set up for auto write. I've got the side tone at 6 hertz. I've got the tone volume level at 10. And if we go to page 2 of key settings, I've got a QSK time of 300 milliseconds, a dit-da ratio of 3, and the CW trainer is off. We'll come back to the CW trainer. That's not what you think it is. So let's get back into app. Let's go into modem. And what I'll do is I will start using my Morse code key. So that's supposed to be 15. Let me turn the volume up a little bit. Okay, let me turn up the... Where is it? It's in key. And it's on page 1 of key, tone level. I'm going to turn this up a little bit to 15. Okay, so we've got volume up to where you guys can hear it. Let's go back into app, modem, CW. And so we've got CW 15 here. We have CW 15 in the keyer settings. That was CQ, and it did not decode it. And occasionally, if I wait long enough, it'll start decoding it. See, there we go. I got enough code into the system that it started to decode it. That should be instant because I'm the one that's doing the input. Let's remove the transceiver part out of the way and go into that CW trainer thing that we saw. CW trainer is off. Let's turn CW trainer on. What this actually does, it's not a CW trainer where it's actually training you. It's not any software that's telling you how to do anything. It is just turning off the transmit function when you do your keying. So the radio does everything except for go into transmit mode. On most normal radios, you would do that with turning off break-in. So you'd have break-in off, you'd have break-in semi, or you'd have break-in full. And when break-in's off, your radio turns into a code practice oscillator. Now I'm messing with my own call sign there, but that's okay. So the decoder in here is behind what I'm sending. And for a new CW learning ham, that's going to be really hard because not only are you already behind in your head, you're also behind in the decoding on the screen. Let's get the dummy load turned off and go back to listening. Switch pages, clear the screen. Also, think in your head, go back and rewind the video or something. And I don't think that was 15 words a minute. I think that was faster than 15 words a minute. Let me know what you think about that. Yeah, see, it's missing all of that. And that's set at 15, and it's reading at 0. But I honestly think that's probably closer to 10. Let me turn that down to 10. You don't need to push that a second time, I just did. See how all that text came in after a little bit of time compared to when you heard it? So tell me what your thoughts are on this. Otherwise, there is a video right there that I think you will like. Thanks for being awesome. 2 thumbs up.